The Dr. Ho's Pain Therapy System TENS device combines TENS, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, and pulse massage to help stimulate nerves and muscles. Once you receive your Dr. Ho's TENS device, the setup is quick and easy. Start by unboxing your device and inspecting all of the pieces. In the box, you'll find the battery-powered TENS device, which has 3 different modes and 3 different timers you can choose from. It also comes with 4 electrode gel pads, which can be easily wrapped up and stored in their carrying case. This model also comes with a mini spray bottle that you can use to wet the electrodes before use. The 2 large flex tone pads are perfect for bigger areas like your back. There are also 4 replacement electrodes, an extra wire, and a travel case with a zipper so you can bring your TENS device with you on the go. To use your Dr. Ho's Pain Therapy System, you'll need to unpack your TENS device and the electrodes. You can take it out of the case or just leave it inside. It works either way. Then unwrap your electrodes. You can use both sets of electrodes at once, but for this demonstration, we're just going to use one set. First, plug in one or both electrodes into your TENS device. Then, remove the protective plastic from the gel pad. Spritz the gel pad and wait until they are tacky and ready to stick. Once the gel pads are ready, place them onto the affected area. When it is all set up, select your mode and intensity level, then set a timer. Using this TENS device can help relieve pain, reduce muscle tension and spasms, increase tissue oxygenation, increase circulation, and much more. It is important to note that when you're removing the gel pads, refrain from pulling on the wire, as it may cause them to loosen and potentially become damaged. If you want to learn more about this portable TENS machine, check out halohealthcare.com for more information, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.